Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing another important topic, 6 foods that are destroying your kidney. Your kidney health is crucial for overall well-being, and it's important to be aware of the foods that can harm its vital organs. So without further delay, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Processed food. Processed food are convenient and tasty, but they are also packed with harmful ingredients that can wreak havoc on your kidneys. High in sodium, preservative, and artificial additives. These foods can cause damage over time. Additionally, processed food often lack essential nutrients that support kidney health, further contributing to the decline of kidney function. Number 2. Red meat. While red meat is a good source of protein, consuming it excess can be detrimental to your kidneys. Red meat is high in protein and purine, which are broken down into uric acid. High level of uric acid can lead to kidney stone and kidney damage. It's important to limit your consumption of red meat and choose leaner protein source like chicken, fish, and legume. Number 3. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened teas are loaded with sugar and harmful additives that can harm your kidneys. Excessive consumption of sugary drinks can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and diabetes, all of which can put a strain on your kidneys. Pick the water, herbal teas, or infused water to quench your thirst and protect your kidney health. Number 4. Canned food. Canned food are convenient and long-lasting, but they are often contain high amount of sodium and preservative that can be harmful to your kidneys. Consuming canned food regularly can lead to high blood pressure and kidney damage. To protect your kidneys, choose fresh or frozen food whenever possible and rinse canned food to reduce the sodium content. Number 5. Artificial sweetener. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharine, and sucralose are commonly used in diet food and drinks as a sugar replacement. However, these sweeteners have linked to our kidney damage and other health issues. Consuming artificial sweetener in excess can increase the risk of kidney stone and kidney diseases. Number 6. Potato chips. We know potato chips are the classic snack, but those tasty little chips are loaded with salt and excess sodium is a big no to your kidney. It can cause your blood pressure to skyrocket and put extra stress on those hard-working organs. So remember to stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and consult with the healthcare provider if you have the concern about your kidney health. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.